on the way out, we have the fishing fleet. A little bit dilapidated. That's the main road into the port. It's called Bristol Street. Maria Isabella. There's another ferry over there. Iloilo going somewhere. Taking, I think that's 600 peso, but I don't know where it goes. So I didn't play around and inquire. Going out into the river estuary. Tankers that turn around and fill up with fuel, big ships. There's the tugs there, turn around and push and pull. Very thank you. So, on the way out, just noticed that by the DPWH region, you can actually hire bunkers, large seagoing bunkers to take you on island tours. So this is near Molo. So you can come down here and you can do day trips to different sites. It's near City Mall and Save More. So it's the Parola terminal. So you can see people lining up. I think they start fairly early. There's one reversing out, fully loaded. As the passengers are at the moment. But we see Iloilo ferry terminal Parola. I don't know if they do hire it just on your own for the day. I don't know, but a little bit busy. So they're coming in, coming out, coming in, coming out. But it must be fairly good. We're into the open sea now. So there's an island over the back in the distance there. And that's not part of Iloilo. So I think that's maybe one of the smaller islands. We're coming around to another small island here. Bunkers going out to sea. So this morning I left the City of Love, which is Iloilo, and now I've arrived at the City of Smiles, bacolod. And this weekend they have the biggest festival in their year. So let's see what the city has to offer. That's a beautiful mountain in the background. There's a mountain down there. So after leaving Bacolod, I have to go to Toledo and then down to Dumaguete, which is about 4 hours, I think. Very, very hot today again. but it's stunning, absolutely glorious. It's lovely. Okay, I'm going to get ready to disembark. Okay.